They are the smallest migrating birds, but they don't migrate in flocks. And they can travel alone up to 500 miles at a time. These are the only birds that can fly backward. Hummingbirds can drink the nectar by moving their tongue. Hummingbirds can drink the nectar by moving the tongue in and out about 13 times per second. Hummingbirds can live from 3 to 5 years. Hummingbird's heart may beat up to 1260 times per minute.